Let's move on to our next topic, which is of metaphors. Metaphors क्या होते हैं? ये figure of speech होती है. A figure of speech in which an implied comparison is made between two unlike things. कि इसमें कंपैरिजन ड्रॉ किया जाता है. कैसी चीज़ों में कंपैरिजन ड्रॉ किया जाता है कि अपेरेंटली वो चीज़ें देखने में बहुत डिफरेंट होती हैं. उनमें कोई ऐसी एट्रीब्यूट या क्वालिटी होती है या ट्रेट होती है जो कि सिमिलर होती है. फॉर एग्जांपल, ये बहुत ही कॉमन एक्सप्रेशन है दैट कैमल इज़ द शिप ऑफ डेजर्ट. ना कैमल एंड शिप अपेरेंटली दे बोथ आर वेरी डिफरेंट. शिप और कैमल में कुछ भी सिमिलर नहीं है देखने में, लेकिन जो शिप की स्पीड है पानी में वो सिमिलर है कैमल की स्पीड जब वो डेजर्ट में चलता है. तो उनकी कौन सी क्वालिटी को लेके कंपैरिजन ड्रॉ किया जा रहा है? उनकी स्पीड को लेके. एंड दिस एक्सप्रेशन दैट कैमल इज द शिप ऑफ डेजर्ट, ये एक मेटाफोरिकल एक्सप्रेशन है. सो लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल्स. He was a lion in the battle. डायरेक्टली उसको लायन कहा जा रहा है. और कौन सी ऐसी क्वालिटी है जिसके बेसिस पे कहा जा रहा है? ब्रेवरी के बेसिस पे. सो ब्रेवरी एक ऐसी क्वालिटी है उन दोनों में, लायन में और उस बंदे में, जो कि सिमिलर है. एंड द स्ट्राइकर वॉज अ गोल मशीन, विच मीन्स कि वो रिपीटेडली गोल कर रहा था. The moon was a misty shadow. Let's move on to its exercise, which is select the choice that explains the meaning of the metaphor as is used in the sentence. First is Junaid is an ox. The metaphor is an ox means A. Junaid is deaf. B. Junaid is weak. C. Junaid is strong. So जैसे कि ox apparently देखने में कैसा होता है? बहुत बड़ा सा strong सा होता है. It means Junaid is strong. Second is Walid is a real couch potato. The metaphor couch potato means A. Walid is always busy with some activity. B. Walid is lazy. C. Walid likes to go outside and play. It means Walid is lazy. Third is Shahid is a volcano after hearing his brother borrowed his car without permission. The metaphor Shahid is a volcano means A. Shahid is angry. B. Shahid lives in Japan. C. Shahid has a triangle head. It means Shahid is angry. Fourth, Lubna is the apple of her father's eye. The metaphor Lubna is the apple means A. Lubna is loved by her father. B. Lubna's father is mad at her. C. Lubna has an apple tree in her yard. It's A option. Lubna is loved by her father. Fifth is Maria was feeling blue after her cat was hit by a car. The metaphor feeling blue means A. Maria didn't like cars. B. Maria was sad. C. Maria wore blue frock. It is B. Maria was sad. Sixth, Faraz is a giant in his class, towering a foot over his classmates. The metaphor Faraz is a giant means A. Faraz is short. B. Faraz is from a fairy tale. C. Faraz is tall. It means Faraz is tall. Let's move on to next exercise, which is of identify use of metaphor in the poem and answer these questions. So, first question is, what do the rich leaves symbolize? Answer, the rich leaves symbolize the rich people of the society. The attributes and behavioral patterns which are seen in the rich people of the society are assigned to the rich leaves of the tree to draw metaphorical comparison. Second question is, what do the poor leaves stand for? Answer, the poor leaves symbolize the poor people of the society. The attributes, behavioral patterns, and deficiency which are seen in the poor people of the society are assigned to poor leaves of the tree to draw metaphorical comparison. Third question is, what does the sun symbolize? Answer, the sun is mentioned as the symbol for justice and equality. Like justice and equality diminish the barriers of discrimination and inequality, sunshine also diminishes the discrimination of rich and poor leaves and shines equally bright for every leaf. Moving on to next figure of speech, which is of personification. Personification क्या होता है? Human attributes और qualities जब non-living things को दी जाती हैं उसको personification कहते हैं. It is a figurative language technique where an object or idea is given human traits or characteristics. For example, flowers were fluttering and dancing in the breeze. अब flowers के पास ये capability नहीं होती है कि वो dance करेंगे या flutter करेंगे. This is personification. Dancing or fluttering is a human attribute जो flower को दिया जा रहा है. Let's move on to its exercise, which is identify the use of personification in the poem and answer these questions. So first question is, which object is being personified in the poem? Which means कि पोम में ऐसा कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसको ह्यूमन ट्रेट्स दी जा रही हैं. सो आंसर इज लीव्स आर बीइंग personified in the poem, which means they are being assigned human attributes. Second question is, which human traits are given to the object? Answer: drinking of water is the human attribute assigned to leaves in the poem. Moreover, the act of giving leftover water by rich leaves and poor leaves accepting it are also human traits. Thank you.